Mary Mata, you are a Prajapita Brahmakumari. Can you tell me how you became a PBK?
Well, to start with, I was a Brahma Kumari. And I don't regret to have been, because there is such a difference between the world in the West and the PBK knowledge, that it was a very important transition. But then I was very unhappy for different reasons there. And I got to know about the knowledge through the internet. I found knowledge of the Murli that was studied in quite a superficial way as a Brahma Kumari. It was studied in such depth, it became so interesting. Then we got to know that there was a new teacher that was in the body, and I was so excited about it. And we went very, very quickly to India, and I became immediately Prajapita Brahma Kumari.
And since then, since you went the first time in India, what is happening the years after? What do you like of this spiritual university?
Well, I never came back on my decision. There was such a contrast between the basic party, we could say, and the advanced party, because there was a lot of hierarchy before, and I was not very much at ease with that. And suddenly, when I went to India, I met my family. I felt at home immediately. When I did the Bhati, the first course to understand the knowledge, actually the woman who was in charge of the whole center in Camphill, I just didn't even know who it was, because she was so simple, and she was among the others without any pretension, without any preference, preferred treatment. She was very soft and nice, and all the sisters were so nice. The life was very, very basic, simple. And when I arrived in Camphill, I was thinking, I'm not going to be able to cope. It's too rough, for my comfort of the West. But actually, we were so uplifted with this knowledge, spiritual knowledge, and the welcoming, that I totally forgot about material things. And I was like floating, like in heaven. It was very, very nice. And then I've been in knowledge for years and years, and it's always the knowledge is always so interesting. I can't be bored about it. It's a vision of the world that makes so much sense that I can never come back.
Okay. And now we have heard a lot of bad things about a PBK center, that is VJVR. Maybe you can give your insight about it?
Yes, I vaguely heard in the news what they spoke about it, and I can say that this is absolutely ludicrous. This is impossible. One of the bases of the knowledge Baba gives is to empower women, and he says that he gives the urn of knowledge to the mothers and the daughter to distribute, through distributing knowledge, to reform the world. And in Vijayvihar, the sisters, they are between themselves, the mothers and the sisters, and they are so free. They are responsible for everything. They are able to run the center very easily, and everything is run very smoothly. Given, considering the number of sisters together in any other place, they would just fight against each other, and you don't see such thing in Vijayvihar. And from morning, when I was there, from morning to night, you had classes, you could have the help of any sisters to learn Hindi or to speak about any points of knowledge, and it felt so nice. Everyone was so relaxed, and they all looked very happy. I could stay, days in and out without seeing a brother. Would only see the brothers at receptions, because they would carry out the, administrative necessities, as bringing food, repairing things, and the relation between brother and sisters are very respectful. And at some point, I used to help in doing some service outside. And so that means the brothers would drive a car. And if two sisters were going somewhere to serve, then a mother needed to be with them to look after them. So I played the role of the mother, and the brother would bring the car, then he would go out and let the sisters go inside the car, and then he would enter and drive, and even the front mirror would be turned up so they couldn't see at all the sisters. They wouldn't talk to the sisters, they wouldn't even know their name, and if some message had to be communicated, it would be through me. So I can prove, by witnessing that all what was said about the brother and sisters just doesn't make sense at all.